we need a sheet of colored paper. We fold it in half, press down the crease, and draw a face on the left side. Today we're making a hedgehog, so today we'll draw a hedgehog's face. For this we need a black marker. And then we need to cut it out. Cut it out right away, and we need to trim off the other half. You can make the face brighter. Next, we place the paper vertically with the narrow side down and start making an accordion fold. And continue like this all the way to the end. Then we fold this accordion in half, and right at the fold, we apply glue and stick it together. Well, we've got a wonderful hedgehog body. So, what does a hedgehog like? Hedgehogs like apples. According to fairy tales, maybe they don't really like apples that much, they prefer mice, but we'll make ours with apples. Let's stick on some round stickers and add leaves to them. Here's the cheerful little hedgehog we've made. Wishing everyone all the best, keep creating and having fun.